Good morning students. So today I'm going to explain you how to check that the given fraction is in its simplest form or not. So let's see here. Here I have written a rule. Find the HCF of. So for what value you are going to find the HCF? Yes, you are correct. We have to find the HCF of numerator and yes, in denominator, because in fraction two things are there, numerator and denominator. So you have to find the HCF of both numerator and denominator. Is it clear? Very good. After finding the HCF, check if the given HCF is equal to 1, then the given fraction is in its simplest form. So your answer will be yes, the given fraction is in its simplest form. And if the HCF value is not 1, maybe it comes 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, any number, any random number except 1, then you will say no, the given fraction is not in its simplest form. Is it clear, my dear? Very good. Now let's move to the example. Here I am having two examples, two fractions I have taken. One is 24 by 35. First we will find the HCF of 24 and 35. I hope you are knowing how to find the HCF. If you are not knowing, so here we will find with the method of division and see, you will understand definitely. See here. Here I have taken the smaller number. Which one is the smaller, 24 or 35? Very good. 24 is the smaller number. This number I will take as my divisor. And which one is the bigger one? 35. That we will take as our dividend. Is it clear? Yes. Now read the table of 24. That should not be more than 35. 24 ones are 24. Here you subtract from 5, 4 will go, it will be 1. From 3, 2 will go, it will be 1. Okay. Now remainder is 0. No. Since the remainder is not coming 0, till then we keep on dividing. Now this remainder will become our new divisor and this old divisor will become a dividend now. Now read the table of 11. That should not be more than 24. 11 2s are 22. Here the remainder is 2. Again remainder is not 0. We have to again repeat the same thing. 2 will be our divisor and the old divisor, that means 11, will become our new dividend. Read the table of 2. That should not be more than 11. 2 5s are 10. Here it will be 2 5s are 10. Now remainder is 1. Still it is not 0. So you have to do it again. Take the old divisor as your new dividend. 1 2s are 2 and now finally we have got the remainder 0. Either you cross or you can make here 0. Okay. So what the HCF is coming? HCF is coming equal to 1. HCF value is coming equal to 1. That means the given fraction 24 by 35 is in its simplest form. Is it clear, my dear? Very good. Now here you can write yes, it is in its simplest form. Now let's move to this 15 by 20. Again we will find the HCF of given numerator and denominator. 15 you make your divisor and 20 you make as your dividend. 15 table read, that should not be more than 20. 15 ones are 15. Now subtract from 20. The 5 will be remainder. Remainder is 0? No. Again we repeat the same thing. 5 will become our divisor and 15 will become our dividend. Read the table of 5. That should not be more than 15. 5 3s are 15. Very good. And now remainder is 0. Either cross or 0, anything you can put. Okay, clear? So now tell me, what is the HCF? Yes, the divisor, the last divisor will be our HCF. So here HCF is equal to 5. Is it equal to 1? No. That means this is not equal to 1. So you will say, no, the given fraction is not in its simplest form. Is it clear, my dear? Very good. I hope it is clear to you how to find the simplest form of a given fraction. Thank you. Bye-bye.